Welcome back to computer science class. In the last session we discussed Boolean algebra. Under that we discussed truth table. Here truth table is a collection of possible variables along with their result. Then also we discussed logical operators. There is a three logical operators: not, and or. And also we discussed how to evaluate a Boolean expressions. The Boolean expressions are evaluated using precedence rule. In a precedence rule, not operators are evaluated first, and operators are evaluated next, finally or operators are evaluated. If the expression have a parenthesis, then inside the parenthesis are evaluated first. So these are the rules in a precedence rule. Then also we discuss some examples on how to solve a Boolean expression, how to evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. In this session, we discuss how to prepare a truth table for the given Boolean expression. If it is 2 variables, if it is 3 variables. Here we discuss up to 3 variables. Here we discuss how to prepare a truth table for the given Boolean expression. Then Boolean expression have Boolean variables and logical operators. It is a combination of Boolean variables and logical operators. Let's see the example. Prepare a truth table. Prepare a truth table for the given expression. Here expression is always Boolean expression. See the Boolean expression: xy plus x bar y. xy plus x bar y. For this expression we have to prepare a truth table. How to prepare? Before going to prepare a truth table, first identify how many variables are present. See here. First write down, in given Boolean expression, x and y are the variables. Given Boolean expression, x and y are the variables. First write the x column and y column. You know that if it is a 2 variables, there is a 4 possible values, 4 possible combinations. Then first priority goes to not operator. Here there is a x bar. Then priority goes to and operator. There is a x into y. Then x bar into y. Finally we have to write x y plus x bar y. So these are the columns required. Just note down the columns. These are the columns required for the truth table. Then write the possible combinations. If it is a 2 variable, combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So these are the possible combinations. Then find the x bar. What is bar? Here it is a complement operator. It complements the input. Here observe the column x. If it is x bar means 0, it changes to 1. 0 again changes to 1, 1 changes to 0, again 1 changes to 0. We know that in a Boolean expression, every variable have unique value. Every variable have unique value, that is either 0 or 1. Then x into y. Here AND operator perform the logical multiplication. Just observe the column xy. Here 0 0, result is 0, 0 1, again result is 0. 1 0, result is 0, 1 1, result is 1 in AND operator. It is a logical multiplication. Then next one is x bar y. To perform x bar into y, observe the column x bar and y. Here 0 1, that is 0, 1 1, 1, 1 0 0, 0, again 1 0 0. See the column x bar into y. X bar into y, 0 1 in logical multiplication it is 0, 1 into 1 that is 1, 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Then finally observe the column x into y, x bar into y. So over OR operation, observe these two columns over addition. Here plus b is a logical addition operator. 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, that is 1. This is the preparation of expression, truth table for the given expression. Let's see if the expression have 3 variables, then how to prepare a truth table. Let's see the example. Which expression is x bar yz plus x y bar plus z bar. See here, it is a one of the expression have 3 variables. First list the variables. In given Boolean expression, variables are x, y and z. Here there is a 3 variables x, y, z, hence there is a 8 possible combinations. Before going to write the combinations, first write the columns. The first column is x, y, z, then x bar, y bar, z bar, because each variable have its complements, x bar, y bar, z bar. Next one is x bar, y, z. Next one x, y bar. Finally x bar, y, z plus x, y bar plus z bar. These are the columns required. Then write the combinations. The first combination is 0, 0, 0. Next one is 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. Then 1, 1, 1. So these are the combinations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally there is a 8 possible combinations. If it is a 2 variables, 4 possible combinations. If it is a 3 variables, then there is a 8 possible combinations. Let's write the x bar. X bar means complement of the x. That is 1, 1, 1, 1. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. Y bar, that is complement of the y column. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Next z, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, again 1, 0. Next x bar, y, z. There is a AND operator between x bar, y and z. So see here the columns x bar, y and z. These are the 3 columns over logical multiplication. So first one returns 0, because if any one of the column have 0 value, then output is 0. Here 0, 0, 1, hence the output is 0. 0, 1, 1, again it returns 0. 1, 0, 1, it returns 0. 1, 1, 1, returns 1. All are ones, true, hence it returns true. Here it is 0, 0, 1, 0, again 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, again it returns 0, 1, 1, 0, again it returns 0. Then to perform x, y bar, observe the column x and y bar here. X and y bar over multiplication. So again 0, 1, 0, again 0, again 0, 0. Next observe 1, here also 1, output is 1. 1, here also 1, the output is 1. Next 1 in a y bar it is 0, 1 in a y bar it is 0. Then finally observe the columns Z bar, X bar, Y, X bar over logical addition. Then over logical addition, if any one of the value is 1, combination value is 1, output is 1. So here first one returns 1, here all are 0, so 0, 1, 1. So here second one is 1, then there is a 2 ones, again 1, 1, then last one returns 0. It is a truth table for over 3 variables. See here the combinations are 8. How to write 8? These are the binary equivalent of the 0 to 7. Binary equivalent of 0 to 7. First write down the binary numbers. Then based on the expression value, write the columns. First priority goes to AND, second priority goes to first priority goes to NOT, second priority goes to AND, third priority goes to OR operator. Based on precedence rule, write the truth table. Let's discuss basic logic gates. The Claude-Shannon apply the Boolean algebra in telephone switching, hence the Boolean algebra is also called switching algebra. Here Claude-Shannon uses the logic circuits. Then what is logic gate or logic circuit? Here logic gates are the electronic circuits. These are the electronic circuits. Accepts one or more inputs, here input signals, and produce only one output. Basically logic gates. Before going to discuss basic logic gates, first we have to know that what is logic gate. Here logic gate is a electronic circuit. These are the electronic circuits. Accepts one or more input signals, and produce only one output signal. That is the logic gate. Then there is a 3 types of logic gates. There is a 3 types of logic gates. The first one is NOT gate. Second one is AND gate. Then third one is OR gate. NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. These are the 3 basic gates in Boolean algebra. These are also called fundamental gates. Basic gates are fundamental gates. Then each gates perform each Boolean operations. Already we know that Boolean operators. Here NOT gate perform the complement operator, AND gate perform the logical multiplication operator, OR gate perform the logical addition operators. But these have a logical symbols. Every gate have a logical symbol. So let's discuss one by one. First consider the first gate, that is NOT gate. NOT gate. Here NOT gate is also called complement gate. What is the nature of the NOT gate? Let's see. NOT gate accepts only one input. It accepts only one input and produce only one output. It accepts only one input and produce only one output. Here output is the complement of the Output is the complement of the input. Complement of the input signal. See the working of NOT gate. NOT gate accepts. It is also a electronic circuit. All gates are the electronic circuits. NOT gate is an electronic circuit. It accepts. It is also electronic circuit. It is a electronic circuit. It accepts only one input signal and produce only one output signal. Here output is the complement of the input. See the logic symbol. See the logic symbol of NOT gate. Work with only one variable. It accepts only one input signal. If it is X, then output is X bar. It is also called complement gate or also called inverter gate. Another name of NOT gate is inverter gate. In an examination, it is asked for one more question. Write the logic symbol for inverter gate. NOT gate itself is a inverter gate. It is also called complement gate. What is nature? It accepts only one input and produce only one output. Then output is the complement of input. See the logic diagram. If you write a truth table for that, have only one input and produce only one output. The input possible values are 0 and 1. If it is 0, output is 1. If it is input 1, output is 0. That is the complement meaning. Let's see the next gate, that is AND gate. AND gate. See the working principle of AND gate. AND gate is a electronic circuit. AND gate is a electronic circuit. It accepts two or more input signals and produce only one output that is the logical multiplication of inputs. Output is the logical multiplication of inputs. It accepts at least two or more inputs but produce only one output. Here output is the logical multiplication of the inputs. See the logic symbol. Logic symbol. If it is two inputs, then it produces only one output. If it is X, Y, output is X into Y over two inputs. If it is a three inputs, there is a three input lines, then AND gate and produce only one output. If it is X, Y, Z are the inputs, output is X into Y into Z. If it is three variables, it accepts two or more input signals, produce only one output signal, then output is the logical multiplication of the inputs. Let's see the truth table. If it is a two variables x, y, output is x into y. The combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the combinations if it is a two variables. See here, output is the logical multiplication of inputs. Logical multiplication of inputs. See the output 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. What is the meaning of logical multiplication? In logical multiplication, if any one of the input is 0, any one of the input is 0, output is 0. If all the inputs are 1, then output is 1. That is the meaning of logical multiplication. If it is three variables x, y, z, then output is x into y into z. If it is three variables, then have 8 possible combinations. Combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, okay, 0, 1, 0, 1, okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, finally 1, 1, 1. So these are the 8 possible combinations. If it is a three variables, there is a 8 possible combinations. Then it is a logical multiplication. Logical multiplication, here it is, if any one of the input is 0, output is 0. How it is 8 possible combination? 2 raised to 3, there is a 8. Hence there is a 8 possible combinations. Here base value represents unique values of a variable. Each variable have only one unique value out of 0 and 1s. Then 3 possible variables. Hence there is a 8 possible combinations. X into y into z. If it is any one of the value is 0, output is 0. So here also 0, here also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Finally there is a 1. That is the output of AND operator or AND gate if it is three variables. See here, what is the output of AND gate? If any one of the input signal is 0, output is 0. If all the input signals are 1, then output is 1. If any input is 0, output is 0. If all inputs are 1, then output is 1. Output is 1. Okay, this is the working of AND gate. See the logic symbol. It is asked for 2 marks. Write this logic symbol and truth table. If you ask for a 2 marks, then first we have to write the logic symbol, then write the truth table for 2 variables and also for the 3 variables. If you ask for 2 marks, if you ask for 1 mark, then just write the logic symbol. The logic symbol, it accepts 2 or more, at least 2 or more input signal and produce only one output signal. The output is the logical multiplication of the input. Let's consider the next gate, that is OR gate. Third one, OR gate. Here what is OR gate? It is a electronic circuit accepts two or more, it accepts two or more inputs and produce only one output. It accepts two or more inputs but produce only one output. Here output is the logical addition of inputs. What is the meaning of logical addition here? If any one input is 1, output is 1. If any one of the input is 1, then output is 1. If all inputs are 0, then output is 0. That is the meaning of logical addition. If any one of the input is 1, output is 1. If all inputs are 0, then output is 0. Let's see the logic symbol. Logic symbol for OR gate. It accepts two or more input signal and produce only one output signal. If it is x, y, output is x plus y. We know the logical addition operator, that is OR operator. So x OR of y. If it is 3 variables, then we write like this. After inputting, place a curve, then an output. If it is x, y, z, then output is x plus y plus z. Let's write the truth table. First write the truth table for two variables x, y, output is x plus y. The combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the combinations. See the output 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. It is a logical addition. If any one of the input is 1, output is 1. Hence 0, 1, 1, 1. If it is a 3 variables, say 3 variables are x, y, z, output is x plus y plus z. Then if it is 3 variables, combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So these are the possible combinations. Then output is, see the output is logical addition. If any one of the input is 1, output is 1. So first one is 0, second one is 1, then 1, 1, 1, again 1, 1 and 1. See, first one have all inputs are 0. Other than first one, remaining combinations have at least 1 in a input. Hence 0, all are 1. So these are the logic gates. Here logic gates are the electronic circuits accepts one or more inputs but produce only one output. There is a 3 types of logic gates. One is NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. NOT is also called inverter gate. It complements the input signal and accepts 2 or more input signal, then output is logical multiplication. Or accepts 2 or more input signal, produce only one output, that is the logical addition of the input signal. Let us discuss basic postulates of Boolean algebra. First we have to discuss what are postulates here. The fundamental laws of Boolean algebra. The fundamental laws of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra are called postulates, are called basic postulates of Boolean algebra. The fundamental laws of Boolean algebra. These are the fundamental laws of Boolean algebra, are called postulates. There is a 4 basic postulates. The first one is if x is not equal to 0, then x equals 1. X is not equal to 0, then x equals 1, and x is not equal to 1, then x equals 0. This is the first law, because every variable in a truth table or in a Boolean expression have only one unique value out of 2. Out of 2 have only one unique value. Here 2 values are either 0 or 1. Every variable must have, out of 2 values, 0 and 1 have only one unique value. Hence, if x value is not equal to 0, x is not equal to 0, then x must be equal to 1. And if x is not equal to 1, then x must be equal to 0, because x have only 2 alternatives. Out of that, x must hold any one of them. Then second one is OR relation. OR relation are also called logical addition. Logical addition. What are the OR relation? See here. First one, 0 plus 0 which is equal to 0. Second one, 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. Third one, 1 plus 0 which is equal to 1. Then fourth one, 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1. How it is? Already we know the OR circuit. It accepts 2 input signal and produce only 1 output signal. If it is both are 0 0, then output is 0. Then if it is 1, any one of the input is 1. One is 0, another one is 1, then output is 1. Third one, accepts 2 or more input signal. The OR gate accepts 2 or more input signal. Out of that, one input is 1, another one is 0, then also output is 1. If both the inputs are 1, then output is 1. This is called OR relation. That is the second postulates of Boolean algebra. Then third one is AND relation. AND relation, also called logical multiplication. Then the AND relations are, first one, 0 into 0 which is equal to 0. Second one, 0 into 1 which is equal to 0. Third one, 1 into 0 which is equal to 0. And fourth one is 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. So these are the AND relations. Then see the first one. Already we know the logic gate of AND. This is the symbol for logic gate AND. Then it accepts 2 or more inputs. Here inputs are 0 0, so output is 0. Then next one is, one input is 0, another one is 1. In logical multiplication, output is 0. Third one is, again first input is 1, second one is 0, so output is 0. In the fourth one, both inputs are 1, so output is 1. We know that in a logical multiplication, if any one of the input is 0, output is 0. Hence, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. If both inputs are 1, it produces output 1. In an OR relation, if any one of the input is 1, output is 1. If all the inputs are 0, output is 0. Then last one is complement rule. Fourth one is complement rule. Here, what is complement rule? First one, 0 bar which is equal to 1, then 1 bar which is equal to 0. It is related to NOT gate. NOT gate accepts only one input signal and produce only one output signal. If the input is 0, it is complemented means the output is 1. If the input is 1, if it is complemented, then output is 0. See here, in a NOT gate, the output side have a bubble. That bubble is called inverter bubble. That bubble complements the input signal. This bubble complements the input signal. So these are the 4 basic postulates. Then the basic postulates are, do not have any proof. The fundamental laws do not have any proof. But these postulates are used to derive another theorems. Boolean theorems are derived using postulates. These postulates. What are postulates? The fundamental laws of Boolean algebra. Postulates are the fundamental laws of Boolean algebra are called basic postulates. Then there is a 4 basic postulates. First one is, if x is not equal to 0, then x equals 1, and x is not equal to 1, and then x is equal to 0, because every variable in a Boolean algebra must have only one value out of 2. Here 2 values are zeros and ones. Here 0 represents the false, 1 represents the true. The second one is OR relation. It is a logical addition. Third one is AND relation. It is a logical multiplication. Then fourth one is complement rule. In the next class, we discuss Boolean theorems and principles of duality. All Boolean theorems are derived. Boolean theorems are derived using fundamental laws. Thank you.